Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Laquita. I am a certified medical coder with 3 certifications from the AAPC, a CPC, a COC, and a CRC. I have been a medical coder for 5 years now, and I only code out of the ICD-10 code set. Some of you came from this video on the screen right now to learn about why I decided to transition out of medical coding into the tech field. I will be giving you 3 reasons why I decided to make the transition. So let's jump right into it. I'm simply ready for something different. At one point, I was in love with medical coding, but I have outgrown this space. And if you watch my earlier videos on this channel, and for those of y'all who are an OG, who have been rocking with me for all of this time, you saw it. You know, all that content that I made, it came right from the heart because that's how I truly felt at that time. But I no longer feel that way anymore. I would say that I have grown into a different space. My desires have changed. I feel like it's over for me and it's time to transition off into something else, because I know that you all are like, wait a minute, you just got a new job and you got a second offer. Yes, that's still the case. Matter of fact, I still haven't started that second job yet, but this is just not for me anymore. And I made this decision to transition out of medical coding back in the end of 2022. I have been in this space long enough to come to the conclusion that medical coders should be 6-figure salaried employees, period. Now, all medical coding jobs, of course, are not one and the same. Some of them are harder than others. Some of them are super, super easy. But I would say from what I've done, from what I've learned, 80, 90K and up, it will feel worth it to me. I truly feel I have went as far as I can go in this field. And I don't want to deter anyone who is pursuing this career to be discouraged because of the things that I'm saying. This is my truth. And I need 100K a year. I need 100K a year, and I'm saying I need 100K a year, and I don't want to be in a management position, and I don't want to have to work multiple jobs to achieve that. That's what I'm saying. And the money, I feel in medical coding, if you just want to stay a coder, I feel like the money is really in inpatient coding, but I don't want to do inpatient coding. That's not a passion of mine. I've seen plenty of high-paying inpatient coder roles, but that's just not something that I desire, that I want to do. And of course, with me having 2 roles now, if I continue that on, I just feel like I'm going to get already more burnt out than what I already kind of feel, because I'm going to be working too hard to try to maintain 2 jobs. The salary is over 100K, but I'm going to have to work so hard to maintain that. I'm going to be in this room in my office working all day just to maintain that income. When I made the video about feeling burnt out, I did not make that video for anyone else. I really made that video for myself. I was really speaking to myself, because I can't say that I fell into a depression. I wasn't happy with my situation, and I knew that it was time to go. The times that y'all saw me like smiling and just really, really into, you know, this space, this field, it was genuine and it was right from the heart. But my desires and my focus have shifted. It's called growth, and growth is not a bad thing. Medical coding was in my life for a season, but it was definitely not a waste of time, because being in that space, being in that field, and having to utilize the skills of, you know, having to research and dig and investigate, all those things I'm going to take with me when I transition into being a manual QA. On to reason 3, the earning potential that I can make in the tech space was definitely like one of the main reasons. And also that you have the option to work remotely. Of course, there are some jobs where you have to work in the office, but I saw that, look, I can make a 6-figure salary from home. And it was like a no-brainer. And I knew that, and I kept finding different like tech jobs. You know, you have a data scientist, software engineer. I thought I was going to become a software engineer. Cybersecurity is so many different things. Tech sales. I thought I was going to do tech sales or a sales engineer. I thought about that as well, but I'm not really like the phone kind of person. And then I landed on manual QA, and the rest is history. So I haven't fully transitioned into QA yet. I'm still in a course right now, and I'm about 65% completed. I am 65% completed with the course right now, y'all. I'm currently enrolled with Careerists in their manual QA course. Careerists offer programs that are designed to provide individuals with a rapid and comprehensive skill set for roles in the tech industry. They currently offer training for sales engineering, QA automation, and of course, manual QA. So far, I am enjoying the manual QA bootcamp, and to be honest, it is not a lot of homework. I like that. It's not a lot of homework to do because QA, being a manual QA, is really a simple job. Being a manual QA, it is less brain work, but the pay scale is, in my opinion, is far greater than medical coding. Of course, I have to use my brain to work. I'm not a robot, but I just felt like I'm going to be using less brain work and making more money. QA stands for quality assurance. As a manual QA tester, our primary goal is to ensure that mobile apps and websites work as expected. The role heavily consists of writing test cases, identifying bugs, and of course, documenting those bugs. We must ensure that the software application operates according to the requirements. Again, the bootcamp is going great and I'm excited to graduate from it. I have a referral link in the description box below if you want to check out Careerists as well to get a discount, but you do not have to use my code at all, you guys. But if you do, I would greatly appreciate it. I am documenting my entire journey from medical coding to software testing. I am excited to share this journey with you all. To everyone who discovered me through medical coding, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and also those of you who comment all of those heartwarming comments. Even if I did not respond to it, don't take it personally. Please don't. Please don't. I thank you for all of the support. Since I'm transitioning from medical coding to software testing, some of you are going to unsubscribe. I am sad to see you go. I'm going to say that. I am sad to see you go, but I get it. You know, if I decided to transition out of medical coding and you're focused on making that happen for you and you don't want to feel discouraged, so you don't want to see the videos coming up in your timeline of, you know, a different direction, I completely get it, y'all. I understand. And I do wish you well on your journey, and I wish you so much success on your journey. But for those of you who are going to stay subscribed, I want to tell you, come close, buckle up, because I'm taking you for the full ride. I plan to give my journey in software testing. I plan to give you all so much more than I gave you all in medical coding. If I feel that I bombed the interview or smashed an interview, I'm going to share that with you all. If I feel discouraged or encouraged in the job hunt process, I'm going to fill you all in on that. I plan to share those real moments with you all. So I want to say thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.